Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to set different notification sounds for apps on iPhone. So if you are using iPhone, unfortunately you will not get that feature because you need to set a whole different notification for everything. Once you set a different notification, it will be set for all apps. So if you want to do that, alternatively, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the settings and you're gonna just go ahead to the sounds and haptics. So as you can see right here, you're gonna see new voicemail, for example, or new text tone. So if you click right here and change that, the text tone, you'll be changing it for the whole texting, probably apps or whatever it might be, right? And the same goes for new voicemail, and the same goes for new mail, right? They will apply to your mail on Apple, basically, not the Gmail, of course. So if you want to change the thing or the notification, you need to know that you're gonna change it for the whole apps. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you.